Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If I have to use one word to describe the crypto market right now, uncertain would be the right word, because there are some tokens which are up significantly and some tokens which are down significantly. But if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, it's actually holding on to its price very well. Also, if we talk about the trading volume, it is well above the 3 billion threshold, suggesting there is so much uptrend yet to come in. But if we talk about CEO today, Coinbase plans to launch the Dogecoin future trading very soon, and that's going to be a driving factor. Also, a lot of small businesses will be able to use the Giga wallet, and some news is saying that crash could come in, which could be up to 50%. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. Via this, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin. They actually start talking about it. The social engagement goes up, more people are paying attention to Dogecoin, more people buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Just keep in mind, I always mention this, even other YouTubers which are talking about Dogecoin show support, because social engagement is always the driving factor for any crypto to do well in this market space. Now Doge right now is actually holding on to a lot of that, because if we just pay attention to the trading volume, it is up another 17% today, and it is the 7th most traded crypto in the world. Now, what's really interesting is you guys can see Dogecoin confirms a new micro uptrend. Analyst shares what's going to happen next. I mean, personally, it's very easy to see. If you just pay attention to what the chart is doing, we're well above the 18-cent mark. I mentioned yesterday, if we're able to just break the resistance at 18 cents, which has been tested and, worked and pretty much pushed us back down multiple times. If we're able to break above the 18-cent mark, there will be not many things slowing us down from making it all the way to 20 cents. Just keep in mind, we do not want to be rejected here. If we get rejected at 20 cents again, trust me, it will go into a consolidation zone, which a lot of people do not want to see. Now, if we talk about this post from CEO, if you do not know, he is a very big account with more than 500,000 followers. Coinbase plans to launch Dogecoin future trading, highlighting the cryptocurrency's evolution beyond its meme origin. I mean, this gives you perspective. Being able to just make it to a point where you're going to be used in a future trading for such a big firm such as Coinbase gives you perspective that, let's just say, Doge has become a lot more than meme tokens, which a lot of people know of it as. Another thing, a few folk asking me how they can use Giga Wallet. It's a back-end service, so it's a tool programmers can use to integrate Dogecoin commerce into their own platform and products. There are some plugins for online shops, and has built a whopping commerce plugin for Giga Wallet, and someone was building for Shopify as well. Now, why is this a big deal? Because a lot of people who like to do online businesses, they use Shopify. If there's able to be a plugin relating to Giga Wallet, and they will be able to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. If there is more and more businesses which start doing this, trust me, it will make a huge difference. We aim to create a network of fully self-hosted, totally decentralized merchandise selling products using their own wallets with no immediately built on Dogecoin. So in simple terms, you just need to understand this will allow a lot of small businesses to also start accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment, as it will be much easier to accept and use it. Now, 3 reasons why Doge has a huge chance of a turnaround. Overbought territory beckons a correction. Now, they believe that close to 18 to 20 cents there is an overbought zone, therefore there will be a little bit pullback when a lot of whales decide to take profit. That's the first reason. Second one, golden cross decline, a historical harbinger. Now, and the final one, while interesting enough, the final one is supposed to be that there's going to be a lot of news that will drop, and a lot of people are going to sell on the news. Now, personally, do I relate with this? And the answer is actually no, because usually I'm not one-sided, but I like to talk about in a different perspective. Now, there's just so many news that will be dropping back to back. I completely understand. Back in the day, it's always, news drop soon as the market drops. It's pretty much news, buy on rumors, sell on news. Well, right now I don't agree with that, because there's just so many news that are about to drop for Dogecoin. First of all, futures. Now that's going to be actually driving up the market, because there will be so much new financial money that will be coming into Dogecoin. Secondly, when you talk about Elon Musk, when he tweets, usually we see a pretty crazy uptrend. Third, we talk about X making a announcement that they're going to be using X payments as pretty much Dogecoin form of payment. Now, another thing which is extremely important for you to realize is Giga Wallet being released just a couple of days before April starts. Maybe there is something happening in the back end that we do not know of. Now, talking about whales, now this whale went pretty much quiet for a little bit, but you can see they decided to buy another $10 million worth of Doge on the 24th, which was for 17 cents, and the price has been going up. And this is another whale which you can see that today they decided to sell quite a significant amount, while yesterday they purchased quite a significant amount, but you can see that the loss is quite significant as well. Now, after they sold, there has been quite a good spike, because we are well above the zone they sold, as they sold around the 17.7 mark, and we are sitting close to 18.4. Just to give you perspective, never ever panic sell. To everyone buying Dogecoin for the first time, here are some rules. Hold no matter what, buy the dip, tell all your friends. All I'm trying to say is, if you decide to panic sell, the only one that's going to lose is you. Keep in mind, overall, if you are taking healthy profit, that's more than welcome. You need to take healthy profit. But if you're going to be panic selling, the market's crashing, now everything's going to crash, that's going to make you lose, because everything you sell, the whales are going to buy up very quickly. Now, Dogecoin struggles to build its ecosystem. Now, the ecosystem is growing, but it's a good thing that the team on the back end is still working so hard. I don't agree with the fact now Dogecoin will never be able to grow its ecosystem, because I feel like there is still so much left to do. Now, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Doge, and more have over $200 billion coming into the market. So if you can get a small share of that, you just need to be part of Doge. That's what I would say. Dogecoin's Giga Wallet is simply integration of transactions across platform, beginning of a strong bullish move. I mean, as I mentioned, transaction volume, there is more people talking about it. The legitimacy will go up of the token. There will be more pumping, and overall the market will start climbing, and Doge will do the same. Can Doge hit $1? And the answer is yes. If we are going to be following the footsteps of Bitcoin, just keep in mind, Doge has not even climbed to its all-time high, and when it makes it to its all-time high, it will be climbing from there, and most likely will be hitting the zone, which will be $1 zone. Just keep in mind, personally, I feel like there's still so much room for Doge to grow. There just needs to be a less panicking zone. What I'm trying to say is, the new investors, there's obviously a lot more new investors into Doge due to so many people talking about it comparatively to other tokens. That's why the trading volume and the whales are also pumping it up. But overall, you just need to be a little patient. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out.